Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Now if you're a big fan of Rick and Morty, this is the effect for you. I mean, it's really crazy, and all you can do with this is to create a interdimensional portal to a different world. I mean, it is really crazy. So what you have to do to create this kind of effect is to go to this website higgsfield.ai, which is like the domain of all AI and VFX effects. So all you have to do is click on higgsfield.ai, sign in, click on visual effects, scroll and choose the portal option here. You'll be brought to a page like this where you get to see video samples that have been created using this particular effect. So you can see them. I mean this is really crazy. So once you're on this page, just click on generate. You'll be brought to a page where you can actually upload your image that you want to apply this effect to. So once you create the image, just click on once you upload the image, just click on the prompt section and describe what you want to see in your video. So once you describe it here, choose your model and then click on generate. After a few minutes, your video will be rendered in this area and then you can click on download in this, and that's it. And one thing I love about Higgsfield AI is that there are no watermarks, so you don't need to stop yourself looking for how to remove the watermarks. I mean, it's really great. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day and please subscribe as we're actively trying to grow.